Manage at Home are committed to ensuring that everyone can access the website. This includes people with sight, hearing, mobility and cognitive impairments. To open the accessibility menu, click on the grey button at the top of the website, or select the blue circle at the bottom left hand of the screen. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl and the letter U on your keyboard and the menu should appear. Here you will find a number of options to make browsing the website easier. This includes tools to adjust your cursor, enlarge text and change the contrast of the screen. If you would like to know more about the accessibility menu or have any questions regarding the website, please feel free to get in touch with a member of staff and we will get back to you.